National Treasury has withheld parts of July's equitable share allocations to 69 municipalities after uncovering widespread financial non-compliance. That's including a 1.7 billion rand in pension contributions deducted from employee salaries, but not paid into the retirement funds. Now, Treasury says the intervention is aimed at protecting workers' retirement savings and enforcing accountability among defaulting municipalities. The decision has drawn criticism from labour organisations, that's including the Motor Industry Staff Association, which says workers could not bear the cost of financial mismanagement and is calling for those responsible to be held accountable. Here's MISA spokesperson Phakamile Majola with that.
The Motor Industry Staff Association is deeply concerned by the reports emanating from the Minister of Finance, Enoch Godongwana, who says that municipalities across the country owe workers a staggering amount of 1.7 billion rand in pension fund contributions. What the minister has said is that these municipalities are deducting money from workers' salaries, and instead of paying that money over to the Provident Fund, which is what they are legally obligated to do, they are pocketing that money. As MISA, we strongly condemn these municipalities and these officials who are responsible for what we view as fraud and theft. This is criminal. This is basically stealing from workers. What MISA is saying is that the FSCA has already ruled on this type of conduct. There is a long history of court cases where the FSCA has found that in instances where employers have pocketed money that they have taken from workers for Provident Fund, those employers are personally liable for those payments. And as MISA, we believe that that principle should apply to municipal officials as well. We are therefore demanding that the municipal managers, who are the accounting officers, as well as mayors and councillors, must take personal responsibility for this 1.7 billion rand that is owed to workers. We are demanding that Treasury must recover these funds from them directly in their personal capacity, because we believe that this is the only way that we can rule out this blatant theft that is happening under our noses. And we are very, very angry about the fact that there seems to be no consequences for this type of behavior. At the end of the day, if this is not thoroughly dealt with, then it is workers who are already financially disadvantaged who suffer at the time when they need to claim from these pension funds, because unfortunately there will be shortfalls and they will be the ones who will have to bear the brunt and the consequences of this criminal behavior. This video bite was recorded by Phakamile Majola, who is the MISA spokesperson.